So the DJI Smart Controller received a much needed update for the Mavic Air 2. Let's have a look at this update and let's not make the same mistakes I made. Cue the music. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. How are you all doing? Make sure you watch this video to the very end. I have a really important announcement for all the Mavic users and smart controller users. That's why it's relevant to this video. You're not going to want to miss this, trust me. So let's get on with the smart controller. So DJI released an update for the smart controller, and this has been the most problematic update I have ever experienced. I went to the system settings, checked for the new update, and there was the download ready for me to go, and it would not download properly. I was having errors, I was having storage problems, I had to delete files. This happened 6 times, and then after which I noticed that Sean from Geeksvana had a video which was reporting that we should be using Assistant 2. Something which I've never done before because I've always been using Wi-Fi to download my updates, especially for the smart controller. So I then plugged my smart controller into a MacBook using USB-C, and 6 times it failed. No update, would not work. I then plugged it into a Windows machine, and then after 3 times it worked. So the upload was complete after 3 times. But this has been the most difficult update I've had from DJI ever. Actually, I would say ever. I've not had any problems with updating any of my equipment, but this has been very, very problematic, and it took me many hours. And I lost a lot of hours yesterday. I have to say it was not good. I did actually go out and fly, but I had to take the Phantom instead. So not really anything lost, but I lost a lot of time from actually updating this. And this is something that DJI have to really focus on now, because if this is problematic, then they should be working on this. I reached out to DJI support and told them my problem. They just gave me an automated reply saying, check out this YouTube video, blah, 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 which is not good enough, to be honest with you. I don't think they've tested this well. But let's hope that they watch this and they can learn and make sure that these mistakes don't happen again. Anyway, make sure that you don't have any problems. If you have problems, if you have the same problems as me, please comment below, let me know. My next video is coming out in a few days' time, hopefully by the weekend. If we get the legal side sorted that it can be released, I will release it. You will not want to miss this. I am using some new technology, flying DJI equipment, also using a smart controller, and you're not going to want to miss this. Trust me, it's going to change the way we fly for the hobbyists and professional. So make sure you like and subscribe, and fly safe.